Greetings, lovers of freedom. Greetings, my wonderful people all over the world. Depending your time zone or any time you come across this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. One love.
And dear fellow Nigerians, I never know that I'm going to be making this video today. I'm calling upon the Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Defense Staff. My name is Agumba Marian. I'm Corporal Marian Agumba, 12NA/67 4340. Maybe if I have made this video earlier than today, all the things that have been happening wouldn't have been lingering. I joined the army with my whole heart to serve the country. But since I joined the army, I've not had peace of mind. The officers kept frustrating my life. This video I'm making today, I know that if you see the light of the day, they might tag me mental unstable or bipolar. But I'm pleading for help. And even I have contacts, or I've been sleeping around the way officers want me to be sleeping with them. They wouldn't have been doing all the things they've been doing to me. Because of the frustration in Nigerian army, I left. My voluntary discharge came out on July. I have discharged. And yet, the officers did not leave me alone. They kept threatening my life. They locked me up with my 2-year-old child, who is now 3 years, locked me in the guard room, gave an order for a private soldier to assault me and my child. After assaulting me, they still charged me for the same assault, laying series of accusations on me that I threatened a senior officer, that I was the one that assaulted a private soldier, and then I escaped confinement. After doing all these things, they locked me again 7 days, denying me access of my child without me knowing where my baby is. After that, they removed my rank. They ranked me from corporal to last corporal. And then, when I was crying and lamenting how the private soldier assaulted me and threatened me that he was working under the order of Lieutenant Colonel Sarema and Lieutenant Colonel Nkanan, that he was acting based on order. This boy assaulted me. They still derank me, charging me for the assault. They rank me from corporal to last corporal, and then after that, I'm done being strong. I don't know that I'm going to start making this video today, but all I'm pleading for is for proper justice and help. I want the government, the president, I want the Chief of Army Staff to grant me justice, to grant me help, because the former Chief of Army Staff who signed my voluntary discharge and then allowed them to give me my certificates and record of service, that they should put my name in the people they're supposed to settle by paying gratuity and everything. Now there is a new Chief of Army Staff. These officers, I kept getting call from Abuja by Major Monday, saying that with this new Chief of Army Staff on seat, they are going to revoke my certificates, that they are going to stop paying me. I am not a criminal. I've never been found wanting since I joined the army. I've been doing the work with my whole heart. Because of the frustration of officer wanting to sleep with me, wanting to do 1 or 2 with me, and that if anytime they bring all those things I refuse, they will tag it arrogance. Lieutenant Colonel Salem, because I refused to sleep with him, he did not only give order for them to assault me and my child, my 3-year-old boy. He gave them order to lock me up. He did not only stop there. They still charged me for the assault. They still charged me that I escaped confinement, and then they rank me. Where is that thing being done? That you will assault a soldier, you will lock the soldier with a baby. After doing all those things, you still charge and they rank that soldier. Locking me 7 days after everything, without food, nothing, denying me access. I didn't know the whereabouts of my child throughout that 7 days in the Gadru. And Chief of Army Staff, former Chief of Army Staff, still granted me voluntary retire, which I have left the army, and they are still threatening me that they will make me disappear. And since I left the army, they kept calling me to Abuja. Why I'm making this video is, God, my spiritual director said, they kept telling me not to do this video because I would have done this video for a very long time when I was assaulted, and when they threatened to make me disappear, not even Chief of Army Staff will save me. When I ran to my commander, who is by name General Okwosa, in Tudiv Hospital, Ibadan, Oyo State, he said that he couldn't help me, that if I know anybody I want to call, I should call. As an Igbo young lady, if you are not sleeping around with an officer, you will be suffering malice in Nigerian army. This is how they kept suffering us, intimidating us, maltreating us in Nigerian army. I got frustrated, I left. And yet they did not stop there. Let them leave me go. Let them let me go. Let them leave me alone. They said no. They kept threatening me. Now, my benefit of 30 years, they want to stop it. They want to revoke my certificate. They want to stop any benefit that is due to me. After I served Nigeria for 13 good years with my youth, I didn't know, my life, all my life, the salary is not as if it's up to feeding. It doesn't feed someone, nothing. The operation, no benefit. The MSS, I did not get any. And they kept threatening my life. I have left the army, and they still did not leave me alone. They still did not let me go. I'm pleading for Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for help. Please, if you are seeing this video, help me post this video. Help me thank the human rights fighters. They should help me. I don't have any contacts. Had even I have the contact, I would have contacted all of them. But I don't have the contact. When I contacted GOC for this case, he helped me. He told them to reverse my rank, which they refused. And now they are threatening to revoke my certificate. They are threatening to stop paying me any chicken change that they are going to pay me. Please, wherever you are seeing this video, help me share this video for people that can help me get justice. I finished serving with my whole heart. I've never been found wanting. I'm not mentally unstable. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I know if they want to do investigation now, they will target that I'm mentally disordered. I don't have any issue of that. I am not mentally unstable. I am not... I don't take drugs. I'm not under influence of anything. Please, if they want to investigate, let them not be doing all those announcing of arrival. They should do the investigation properly and grant me justice for the officers that kept threatening me. Captain West in Tudiv Garrison or Ibadan or your state, he kept threatening me that if I did not show up, they are going to revoke my certificate. Lieutenant Colonel Nkana in Tudiv Garrison, he was the one that deranked me and threatened to make me disappear. Not even Chief of Army Staff will talk. Lieutenant Colonel Osareme, who, because I refused to sleep with him, he sent a soldier to assault me. After he assaulted me, he locked me and my baby inside Gadru. I'm pleading, please, I need help. I need help because they are still threatening my life, threatening to revoke my certificate and record of service. This is how soldiers are suffering. They will be crying of insecurity. Meanwhile, the soldiers, they don't feed them. Their salary is not up to be feeding them. Can you fight for someone where you cannot even feed? Can you fight with hungry stomach? You are not feeding well, and then they will be intimidating you. An officer will tell you to come and sleep with him. You refuse. They will target indiscipline, arrogance, rude. And if you cry to all these senior women, the likes of Colonel Awuto, when I was serving in Nakon, or the likes of Master Warrant Officer Ayeni, I cried to them. They listened to the gossip, and especially Master Warrant Officer Ayeni, she locked me up one time because I cried to her when she heard when they accused me of what I did not do. I ran to her. At least seeing them, they are mothers. Mothers are supposed to help. They are the ones that will frustrate your life in Nigeria, Abby. As a young soldier, they will be frustrating somebody's life. If you are not sleeping around with the officers, if you don't have any connection, your life, in fact, is